Hi guys. Welcome to this channel. Do you want to create a boomerang on Instagram using just photos or videos from your camera roll? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your old photos and videos into boomerangs on Instagram. So, if you've got some content in your gallery but don't want to shoot a new video on the Instagram camera, just follow these simple steps. There are actually two ways to do this, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video. This one works for both iOS and Android users, and it's perfect for turning any video from your camera roll into a boomerang. We'll use a free app called CapCut for this. Open CapCut and tap on New Project. Next, choose the video you want to turn into a boomerang from your photo gallery. Once your video is in the timeline, we'll want to select about 2 to 3 seconds of the video. This will be the part that gets looped for the boomerang effect. With your video selected, scroll down to find the duplicate button. This will create an exact copy of your video. Now, select the second copy and scroll until you see the reverse button. Tap it, and the second video will play in reverse. This is the key to making a boomerang. If you want your boomerang to loop more than once, just repeat the process of duplicating the video and reversing it. When you're happy how it looks, tap the export button at the top right corner to save your boomerang video to your gallery. There you go. That's how you can create a boomerang from both live photos and regular videos using Instagram and CapCut. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.